If you say you can't take it back, but I'm the bad guy no matter what's said. Argue so much that I can keep track. Who'd be better off if one of us left? If you walk out, go ahead and pack. Take all your baggage and fade to black. Cause I'm tired of being attacked, looking at the edge of what we had left. Feels like I'm falling in deep, but I don't wanna live without you loving with me. I know ain't nothing for free, still I don't wanna live without you loving with me. But just before we say goodbye, I think of all we'd leave behind, and suddenly I am reminded, heaven you are. Things cool down for a little while, we keep cruising for a couple miles. Just when the race starts closing in, then we're raising hell again. Feels like I'm falling in deep, but I don't wanna live without you loving with me. I know ain't nothing for free, still I don't wanna live without you loving with me. Still I don't wanna live without you loving with me. Still I don't wanna live without you loving with me. Still I don't wanna live